All right, we're back at it after almost a week off because of rain and some other stuff. I haven't worked, but today's Friday, Friday. It's Friday, but it feels like Monday. Anyways, pulling doubles this morning. I got a trailer full of straw. I got about 50 bales of straw. I got a straw blower hooked behind it. So we're gonna get down here, and I think Todd's down here waiting on us. We're gonna get down here and see what we gotta do, and hope y'all stay tuned and enjoy the video. All right, we made it. Figuring while the air compressor was building up air, I got a greased skid steer. I'll tell you all what's going on. So we got the trailer and the straw blower behind the vehicles over here. You can't. We're finishing this lady's yard up. We're gonna be on the skid steer for a little while doing some finish work, smoothing stuff out, putting dirt around the edges of the house and everything. I'll let y'all ride along with me, get some video, and then we'll be seeding and strawing probably in the hottest part of the day, so that'll be fun. Anyways, y'all hang out and enjoy the video, and we'll get to it. All right, we're just shaping the yard up now. Just trying to get it as smooth as possible. Trying to rake up a little bit of dirt here now because we got a little bit of a hole down here we got to fill in. I'll let y'all ride along and enjoy the video. Boss man wants us to go put out some signs today, because next week we're gonna be digging up some pipe. So putting in some new storm drain. Big concrete culvert pipes, or whatever you want to call them. But today, may not. It'll probably take us the rest of the day to get done with all this, because I was under the impression, and I think Todd was too, that the only thing we need to do was come out here and seed it and straw it, but that wasn't the case. So all of us are kind of hoping that this will take us a good bit to do, so we ain't got to go put outside, because that's all the way across the county. Now where that propane tank is. Trying to leave the stuff a little loose. Seed will have a little bit more to grab onto, but the reason why we put down straw though. The seed will really have something to grab hold to and stick. I worked at the landfill. We used to hydro seed everything there. Yeah, never measure any hydro seed or anything like that. We had a big mixer, mixed it with water and shredded bales of paper, and it shot out of a nozzle almost like a fire hose. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Need anything else?
Not that I know of. I don't know much about this stuff, so you might want to ask one of them.
Oh, it just needs to be as straight as possible down through there. That end looks like it kicks out.
How would I fix that?
Either pull the rock back and scrape some loose dirt on it, and just make it straight. Like get down here and look at it and just straighten it out. See, I can go down through there and try to straighten it, but then I don't know if I'm going straight once I get to that end. I'll see if I can straighten it out. Hit this edge again. Does that go out that way? See what Griffin thinks. I was looking at it from back there and it looks like this end goes out that way.
So I thought that end went out.
Yeah, that's what I...
Look at that from this end, it looks like that end went out.
What's he got going on?
Trying to get that ditch. Where the water drains.
I don't know, do y'all want me to try to fix this edge and straighten it up?
It's up to you.
Or do y'all want to try to do it?
I gotta send some records to the guy.
We'll just back up down here and take a look for ourselves. It's a little off. Tell Jeff the line he's got going right there looks fairly good. That line you got going right there looks pretty good. You just scoot dirt over to it, and back there where you see where it's kind of sprinkled out a little bit. If you just take and pull it back a little bit, the rest of it looks pretty good. Yep. And then I'll ease around. I'll start easing my way around and seeing if he's done with this side yet or not. If you need some dirt, tell me. I'll bring you some. So if you need some dirt, tell me. I'll bring you some.
I'll probably use a little bit to get out and grab all that.
Okay, I'll get you some. All right, let's go get Jeff some dirt. See if we can scrounge any up anywhere. here and see if I can get a little bit for him. I didn't back drag a lot of this down, so all we want is just a skim off the top here. See where he wants it at. Out here from where we turned. We'll start working our way down that side. Start working on this little piece right here in front of me, and when I get done I'll catch back up with y'all and let y'all see what it looks like. Do the best I can to get some footage of what I'm doing. It's just, I gotta get me a camera, a better camera. We're still just trucking right along though. Got this side pretty well finished up. We're just gonna go up here and hit this corner. We'll probably back drag it all up the hill a little bit. So. Out around all these trees. Become the dreaded blowing straw. None of us is looking forward to that. spot that I just drug and got it smoothed up. Now I'm gonna take care of this little piece right here. We're gonna back drag it up, smooth it up best we can here. We got a bunch of clumps of grass in it, so grass usually don't want to spread too easy. what I'm doing, just dragging the ground, really. Just trying to make sure the water will drain when we get done. y'all check that out. Nice and smoothed up. Now I'm gonna get ready to put seed and straw on it. Go over here and see what these guys are doing. I lost one straw bale. To get the cedar straight. Let them get the cedar straight. Looks like it's doing fairly good.
I want him to go over it. I want him to go over it.
There's probably enough in there to sling it like that to go over it a couple times, right?
Man, I hate doing this because you don't ever know how fast that son of a bitch throws it out.
No. It's putting out a good chunk right now, though. I don't think it slings as much out this side as it does the other side.
See how fast it's going through, though?
Yeah.
That's what scares me.
I have to choke it down some. At least until he gets that whole thing covered once. Take a walk around here and look. It's throwing.
There's a damn chart right here.
Right here, let y'all look at what we got going on. We've kind of got a ditch put in here to keep the water coming from up that way down, and then it's sloped out there real good. It's all slicked up. They're right here where I'm walking. It's top middle side of the berms. So we got a drainage here, drainage there, and then it goes right down that way. That probably could have been hit again, but good enough. Let the seed hold real good. I can put straw on it and hold it even better. So get back over here and see if they figured this thing out yet. Trying to make it a dump just enough so we cover the whole area, and then if we got anything extra, we'll come back and go over it again. But it's wanting to pour out too fast. So it might need to hit right here again. Yeah, I'm gonna get him to run one more through here. He won't look at me though.
When he did his pass coming down, he didn't even have it turned on.
They did over there, but since it slung more out on that side, then it kind of left a bare spot right here.
Yeah.
From about right here over to about right where you're at. So we'll get him to come back around and get this spot. Right, we got it all seeded, straw blown everywhere. We're just gonna go back now and clean off the sidewalks and all the rest of that good stuff. And then see what else we gotta do for the rest of the day. Alright, we're done for the day. We got all the straw out, blowed out, seeds out. Got the equipment put up where it needs to go, ready for the next move. Y'all can see behind me, I've got both trailers in tow. We're headed to the shop. Me and Jeff's gonna put the trailers up, put the little straw blower back in the shop, put the other trailer behind the shop, put the truck up. It'll be done for the day. Be ready for the weekend. But I hope y'all enjoyed watching the video. If you watched it this far, give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Shoot me a comment, tell me what you think about the videos, and if you like them, if you don't like them. Subscribe if you hadn't subscribed already, so you can catch up and keep up and see what we got going on next time, and hit that little notification bell so you get all the notifications. I think that's about it. We're gonna get out of here and get the weekend started. We'll catch y'all on Monday morning. See you later.